Hi everyone, look at this adorable little duck. Isn't it the cutest? I love its soft, bumpy texture. It makes me so happy. I could hug it all day. What do you think?
If you've ever come home to chewed furniture or nonstop barking, you've probably wondered whether a simple toy could really solve your dog's separation anxiety. And that's exactly what the Biovet Calming Duck Toy promises: permanent relief from anxiety and a reduction in stress-related behavior. But does it actually deliver, or is it just clever marketing? The product is presented as a soothing companion designed to comfort dogs when they're alone, helping them feel calmer and less destructive. And at first glance, the concept sounds appealing because many dogs do respond well to comfort objects. However, several red flags make it important to pause before purchasing. The promotional material relies on polished product images that feel more like stock photos than authentic customer snapshots. And the free today offer creates urgency without clearly explaining the real cost, which can be a classic pressure tactic. There are also mentions of media coverage and impressive sounding statistics, yet no verifiable sources are provided to back up those claims. When it comes to reviews, the feedback appears limited and lacks detailed, balanced experiences from long-term users. In terms of results, while a soft plush toy like this may provide temporary distraction or mild comfort for some dogs, there is no solid evidence suggesting it can provide permanent relief from separation anxiety, which is often a complex behavioral issue requiring training, routine adjustments, or professional guidance. Overall, the Biovet Calming Duck Toy isn't necessarily a scam, but the bold promises and marketing tactics raise reasonable concerns. So if you're considering it, treat it as a simple toy rather than a guaranteed behavioral solution.